This is Brügger's relief position, a physiotherapy classic that reverses the entire desk slump in one shape in about 30 seconds without leaving your chair. Desk posture flexes everything. Spine curled, shoulders rolled in, palms down, chest closed. Brügger's position undoes each of those at once. It extends your upper spine, externally rotates your shoulders, opens your chest, and gives your breathing room again. Step 1. Slide to the front third of your chair and perch on it. Feet flat on the floor, slightly wider than your hips, toes turned out just a touch. Let your weight rest on your sit bones, not your tailbone. Step 2. Let your arms hang at your sides, then rotate your palms to face forward, thumbs pointing away from you, and spread your fingers wide. Feel your shoulders roll back and down as you do it. That rotation is the whole trick. Step 3. Lift your breastbone gently toward the ceiling. Keep a light chin tuck and grow tall through the crown of your head. Now breathe, slow, easy breaths down into your belly for 10 to 30 seconds. That's the whole exercise. 3 mistakes to avoid. Don't overarch your lower back. The lift comes from the breastbone, not from flaring your ribs. Don't shrug. The shoulders roll back and down, never up. And don't hold your breath. The slow breathing is half the exercise. The dose is what makes this one work. About 30 seconds, every 30 to 45 minutes of sitting. It's not a workout, it's an interrupt. Small, frequent, and completely invisible in an office. If you want the reminders handled for you, Posture 12 nudges you at the right interval and guides the reset. It's free. Links in the description.